Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Amazon and going directly to the product page you intend to evaluate. Once done, make sure you have the Fakespot browser extension installed or the site ready. This reduces friction. Click the extension icon or paste the product URL into Fakespot search. You're doing this now to capture the exact review dataset and metadata, title, seller, price, so Fakespot can analyze relevant signals. This initial step speeds up accuracy and avoids scanning unrelated listings. Now run the analysis. Click the Fakespot extension or tap Analyze on the website and wait as it scans review patterns and reviewer histories. You'll see a grade and a trusted percentage that summarize authenticity risk. This translates complex signals into a usable score. Next, examine flagged reviews and the sample trustworthy ones because they show patterns like repeated phrases, reviewer age, or sudden volume spikes. By comparing those examples, you learn why Fakespot adjusted the score and how that affects buying decisions. Make your decision using Fakespot's grade plus the example reviews. If trustworthy signals dominate, proceed. If not, compare similar products or avoid buying. If Fakespot seems off, refresh the Amazon page, rerun analysis, and ensure your extension is up to date. Clearing cache often fixes mismatch issues. If problems persist, cross-check with another review audit tool and manually inspect recent review dates and seller history. This final verification step protects you from false positives and keeps your purchase choice informed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.